Hello students and welcome back to the lecture series of Logarithm, lecture number 3. In this video session, we'll discuss about formulas that we have already seen and examples related to change of base rule in logarithm. So first, this is the list of all the formulas that is already discussed. Especially in this lecture, we are going to discuss on change of base rule. Log x base y is equal to log x base a divided by log y base a. It means, look at the red font formula which is given in number 8. Base is y on left hand side. Sometimes it will be possible that we need to change base. So suppose I need a as my new base, then what I will do, I will separate out number and base, both of them, with logarithm function in numerator and denominator, and I will apply the new base to log function. Now if I don't write the base, it means it is by default e. So if you look at the same formula in blue font, then log x base y can be written as log x divided by log y simply. So generally we will use this form of change of base formula for our examples because it is easy to remember and easy to understand. Base is not mentioned, it means it is e. So whenever we have to use change of base formula, then log x base y can be written as log x divided by log y simply, right? So let's start with the example number 1. Prove that 1 upon log abc base a plus 1 upon log abc base b plus 1 upon log abc base c is equal to 1. Now first of all, that there should be a question that how we would know that in this particular example we have to use the change of base formula. Naturally this question may arise, and answer to this question is, always remember, whenever you are given any example, look at the base of log functions. Here you can see that base of log is a, here it is b, and here it is c. It is different for different terms. So whenever base of log function is different, definitely you have to use change of base formula. Many examples we have discussed in session 1 and session 2, but in all that examples, base of logarithm was same. It means we did not have to use the change of base formula. But in this case, the log function are having different bases, it means we have to use change of base formula. Since the example is regarding prove that, so we'll start with left hand side and approach towards the right hand side. So this is left hand side given to us, and we'll apply change of base formula where log function is given. Log function is in denominator, so the formula will be applied in denominator only. Numerator will be as it is. So 1 is as it is, and divided by, we are applying change of base formula, hence log abc divided by log a plus 1 upon log abc divided by log b plus 1 upon log abc divided by log c. Now denominator of denominator goes to the numerator, so using that concept we have log a upon log abc plus log b upon log abc plus log c upon log abc. Now here you can see that the denominator is same in all the terms. It means it will be the LCM, and we can write down the term as log a plus log b plus log c divided by log abc. Okay, now what next? Then in numerator we can use rule number 6. Whenever addition of log functions is given, it is converted into multiplication with common log function. So we can write down log abc divided by log abc. Okay, now numerator and denominator both are same, so they will be cancelled and answer will be 1, which is equal to right hand side. It's not difficult, just you need to do some practice. Let's see next example, number 2. Prove that log cube root of x base y into log y raised to 4 base z into fourth root of z base x is equal to 1 by 3. Now here again the question is related to prove that, so we'll start with left hand side. It is given to us. One more thing you can observe is base in log functions is different for each case. First log function has base y, second log function has base z, third log function has base x. But before we proceed for the rule of change of base formula, I think we should do something with the powers. They are very awkward. Cube root, fourth power and fourth root. We know one more rule, that power of number can be shifted front side as a multiplication. So we'll apply that first. It means cube root. Cube root, you know that it is 1 by 3 power. So 1 by 3 gets shifted as multiplication. Y raised to 4 is given. So 4 will be shifted as multiplication. And fourth root of z, it means z raised to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 will be shifted as multiplication. So I have just used that rule, shifting of power in multiplication for number. Here any simplification more, anything is possible? Yes, this 4 and 4 can be cancelled. So let's cancel them. It means we will have 1 by 3 log x base y into log y by z into log z base x. Okay, now the term looks comfortable and simple. Remember, we have to achieve 1 by 3 as our right hand side. 1 by 3 is already here. It means everything should be cancelled in our future procedure. Okay, so since base is different, we will apply change of base formula. So we can write log x divided by log y divided by log z, and log z divided by log x. Now you can see that this log x and log x will be cancelled. Log z will get cancelled, and log y will get cancelled. It means we have achieved our answer, and this is equal to right hand side. Let's see another question. Prove that 1 upon log 24 base 6 plus 1 upon log 24 base 12 plus 1 upon log 24 base 8 is equal to 2. Again here you can observe that log functions are having different bases, and this is the key parameter to identify that change of base formula will be useful or not. If bases are different, definitely you should go for change of base formula. So our left hand side is this, and we'll use change of base formula. It means we can write log 24 by log 6, log 24 by log 12, log 24 by log 8. And now denominator of denominator goes to numerator. It means this will be equal to log 6 divided by log 24 plus log 12 by log 24 plus log 8 by log 24. Denominator is same in all three terms, so it will be the LCM, and addition of numerator will be log 6 plus log 12 plus log 18. All three terms in numerator are having same base, so addition will be converted into multiplication with common log function. So log 6 into 12 into 18 divided by log 24. Multiply this 3, 6, 12 and 18. So we get log 576 divided by log 24. Okay, so this is all the simplification that we can do till now. Now look at the right hand side, it is 2. So however we have to get answer 2. For that we will try to convert 576 in terms of some power of 24. See is it possible or not. Use your calculator and you will find that 576 can be written as 24 square. Obviously it should be square because we need 2 as our answer. Now again use the rule that power will get shifted in multiplication. So 2 into log 24 divided by log 24. So log 24, log 24 gets cancelled and we get right hand side. Okay, now let's see one more example. All the examples are of similar type, and you will be able to easily identify that obviously here we have to use the change of base rule. So here again you can see that different bases are given. So same process we have to follow. This is left hand side, and in denominator we'll apply the change of base rule. So we can write down like this. Denominator of denominator goes to numerator. So we have this term. Okay, now we have to get our answer 1. You can see that all three terms are having same denominator. So it is the LCM and there will be addition of numerators. Two terms are written together. Actually numerator will be log xyz plus log xy plus log x, and then I have applied this rule that addition gets converted to multiplication. It means we get log xyz into xy into x. Be very careful which is the multiplication sign and which is x. They can be easily noted, but be careful. So what do we get? Log, there are three terms regarding x in numerator, x, so it will be x cube. Two terms in terms of y, so y square, and single term in z, so z. Log x cube y square z divided by log x cube y square z. So both are same and get cancelled. So we get 1 as our answer, and this is equal to right hand side. So in this lecture we have discussed about examples of change of base formula in logarithm. This is all that comes under the topic logarithm. So do practice, micro practice to get betterness in your performance. Have happy learning.